Okay, yeah. I know this is a movie again. But I just see now. I know that other Angry Birds was Christmas, and now this Angry Birds are Halloween. And this is Halloween Day. It's Halloween Day. As you see, I got the little streak. As you see, I know this is a ball, but it's a pig. I'm gonna use it as a pig. And this is my keychain. This is my keychain. This is my keychain. This is my keychain. And these are my wet boards. These are my wet boards.
Once we get into three colossi are pretty much going to be near impossible for Goody to take down. Add in the fact that there are so many
and as you see, I got this golden nest.
with maximum energy.
And
We are going to see a group of Marines and Marauders all
top,
here.
yeah.
It's going to get split up.
this is the next part. With this part is the eggs. These parts, the 3 parts are the eggs. And these Angry Birds, as you see, I got the black one. And as you see, I got the black one, the red one, the other red one, and the other red one, and the golden nest, and the pig. And now, folks, you know about Angry Birds. I want you to know Angry Birds, Angry Birds, Angry Birds. Goodbye, folks. And by the way, this is the Angry Birds set. This is the Angry Birds set. And by the way, I'm an Angry Birds fan. I shoot for Angry Birds. I got all of them. I'm done. What do I have to push?
The red button.
What?